One of the most common questions we get asked around here is, do you really get to eat the food that you cook on the show? I am proud to report, I am grateful to report, the answer is yes. It's our pleasure every time. Food is love, right? It gathers us, fills us, and brings families together. And that is something delicious to celebrate. We are just a few days away from the next season of Studio 5, so we've been getting a little nostalgic around here and looking back on our favorite food memories from the past season, the past year. One of those moments was when Chef Todd Leonard shared his secret ingredient to a chef's kiss worthy mac and cheese. Let's watch. Is anyone else just so happy right now?
Of course, you're going to add cheddar, and this is sharp cheddar. So you want to add cheddar, lots of cheddar.
Which even if we aren't,
don't hold back on the cheddar.
And we didn't, and we won't. And even if you aren't normally a sharp cheddar kind of a person, the cream will soften that, right? Like,
yep. Oh yeah.
You'll want the sharp.
You'll want the sharp. And then this last cheese is Gruyere cheese. Okay, so now we literally have molten lava, right?
I love my job.
So this is awesome. This is cheese sauce. This is amazing. Now, a secret.
What? We're bubbling.
This is really weird.
Okay?
This is really weird, and all my chef friends and the chef world is going to laugh at me, but they won't because they probably do the same thing.
What?
But if you add, this is really weird, if you add just a little bit of Velveeta.
What?
Yeah, baby.
I never thought I would see the day.
If you don't have to, you can add all cheese. But I honestly think at home, if you do that, you're going to be a happier person.
I didn't think we could love you more, but suddenly you reach for a block of Velveeta and we're like, he's our guy. Wasn't that a hoot to see a professional chef? And we know Todd, he is the best of the best, but to see him reach for a block of Velveeta, and that mac and cheese was good. Remember that, you guys? That was a good lunch day at Studio 5. Another fun food memory we'll look back to. Sometimes I get to play sous chef, and our good friend Amy Richardson made sure I pulled my weight in the kitchen. She cheered me on every step of the way. Here's that moment.
Juice it. We need the zest and the juice of this.
Okay.
So, do you want to use this?
I don't know how to use that, but
Yeah, yes, you do.
I'll figure it out.
Oh my gosh, that is a different kind of an orange. Wait, we don't want that orange.
It's a blood orange.
It's a blood orange.
Surprise!
Surprise! We don't want that orange. It's so intense. Let's get a Tangelo.
Right here?
Let's just be
safe.
This one? Yes.
Okay.
And we're going to put that orange right into it. Wow.
That would have been an interesting
That would be kind of not the light and springy carrot cake we're hoping for.
What do I do?
Okay, look at you go. You're amazing.
Do I need to cut the end off?
No. We're just going to stick it in there like that.
Okay.
And then we're going to just press it down.
This is fancy and romantic. This is like...
Yeah, romantic.
It is. It is. We're juicing
oranges
with
right
a cool
here.
retro little gadget.
And then you're just going to pour that in. We're going to put, do you want, which zester do you want to use? Just pick your choice.
I'll try this guy.
Try that one.
And just go like this?
And then we're going to add into that.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Flour. Oh, you're doing great. You've got it going. We're going to put in flour. There's baking soda and a little bit of salt in this. But what I actually really think is fun, this recipe is just the twist on the classic.
Oh, I felt the confusion and the stress of that moment and the sheer shock when it was a blood orange. I'm happy to learn for the rest of you, and I'm happy to, I don't want to say be the dumb one in the room, but when it comes to the kitchen, if the shoe fits. Okay, one more food memory we'll look back on together. Dessert, of course, is a big deal around here, and our friend Bethany Tomseth gets that. She taught us how to make a table runner out of cake. This was over the top, oversized, and so Studio 5. Let's watch.
This is a cake runner cake. Like a table runner cake. And I'm so excited about it. So this one, you'll have to kind of do in sections. Really, I mean, this cake, my mind first went to outdoor bridal shower, summertime, springtime bridal shower, any outdoor event with like sprinkle lights, but then sprinkle lights, twinkle lights. And then I thought, what about like an intimate, candlelit, over-the-top birthday party for someone that's just extra? I mean, can you imagine?
Yes. Well, this becomes the extra. Like, this becomes the it thing. We always love when food can double as decor. This is something to stare at and then later cut and eat. Oh, wasn't that amazing? So much to celebrate from season 18. Thanks for letting us relive some of our favorite food memories. And we look back to move forward. We can't wait to see what season 19 brings to our kitchen and to yours.